Rockin' in Christian New York. I had to marble the floors. I had to cut out your horse.
Yo, what's good, y'all? David Omari back with another vlog. You know what I'm saying? Day in the life part 3. Today, we're gonna go over the car collection. I got $1 million worth of cars in my mansion, and so today I'm gonna break it down and just show y'all all of them. But look, right now we ain't gonna check them out because everything getting washed right now. My girl Maya here, she taking care of all the whips. Yo, Maya, say what's good to the vlog.
Yo, what's up, y'all?
Yeah. She take care of all the whips. Y'all make sure I'm gonna have her information down below so y'all can tap in. I mean, everything be looking good. But we gonna go ahead and head inside, man. I got some things I wanna check on before we go ahead and start this car collection tour. Let's get it. Yo, man, so just checking on my YouTube channel for the day. Before we get started, man, in the last 90 days, the channel's made almost $90,000. So it's looking pretty good. Just yesterday, we made about $424. So it's a little on the lower end. Typically, this channel do anywhere from like, you know, $1,000 to $1,500 a day. So it's looking pretty crispy right now. We are in January where the CPMs are a lot lower. So it's all good though, man. But look, y'all, today is the day we're gonna go through the car collection. I'm super excited for y'all to see. A lot of y'all been asking questions on the last vlog. Literally, I had questions. I probably have them popping up on the screen right now. But one of the biggest questions I got on the last vid was like, David, like with this YouTube automation, like how long did it take you to get there? How long did it take you to, you know, make this amount of money to get all these things in your life? And honestly, guys, it took me about a decade, but that's because I didn't have a mentor. All right, and that's one of the biggest lessons I learned in life. When you don't have a mentor, you don't have a roadmap. When you don't have a roadmap, you're set to figure everything out on your own. And so that's what I had to do. And that's why it took me 10 years. I'm 28 years old. I started when I was 18, right? And so a lot of y'all don't have a mentor. And when you don't have a mentor, it just makes room for you to make mistakes. The more mistakes, the more years it's gonna cost you, right? So when you get a mentor, guess what? Exactly where they're at is exactly where you want to be. They're going to be able to tell you exactly how to get there with a roadmap, okay? And so that was just my biggest lesson in life. If I wanted to get somewhere fast, the shortest cut to success is hiring a mentor and getting somebody to teach you how to do it. So a lot of y'all was asking me like, man, how can I get to this level that quick? And y'all can tap in with me. I got a roadmap for you. I'm going to have a link in the description below for y'all. So definitely tap that link if you are interested in learning what I do. And hey, man, we're going to get right into it. Let's go. Yo. What you got me? This man a plug, bro. He always got something, bro. Macy's? What you got from Macy's, bro?
Macy's, bro. Hey, first of all, bro.
Hold on, what is that? Are they checkered? Bro, what NASCAR eat? Nah. No, bro, these are crazy, bro. Oh, I ain't gonna hold you. We might have to shoot a video in these.
Hold on, twin. Hold on.
Wait, you got more?
Hold on, twin.
Nah, this is crazy, bro. We gotta put on the Supreme book.
Where you from, twin?
Nah, dude, you didn't do that. You didn't do that.
Where you from?
You didn't do that.
Where you from?
You didn't do that, bro.
Where you from?
You didn't do that, bro.
Where you from?
Stop playing with me. Okay, you got a hat. What's that?
But
Eric
this is a
Mail.
EE
Ooh.
hat, twin.
Ooh, it's a
That's
fitted.
an LA EE.
Yeah,
hat,
yeah.
twin.
I hope it fit. Let me see. It do. I just gotta make it do. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Let me see. Ooh.
Come on, bro. You got EE. You got an EE hat.
Oh.
EE shorts.
Yeah, nah. We
But
might.
you're from LA.
Bruh. The EE's right there. Coach Emmanuel.
Shit, coach! I'm sorry to cuss in your vlog, bro.
Hey, bro. But hold on, though. Hold on.
There's more.
Hey.
He came bearing
I
gifts.
got these right here.
What are those?
I got these for you.
Oh, shit, nigga! The dude from my class? God damn.
Hey, we twins now, boy.
No fucking way, bro. All right, we're trying to get you right with that camera. Hey, David, we gotta get
Those are so, them.
God damn!
Hey, I ain't gonna hold you.
Hey, yo!
These hard.
No,
That's not old, twin.
don't say that.
Oh man,
What
here.
school you went to?
Morehouse?
Morehouse, twin.
Wait, that's your EE too?
Nah, that one ain't.
Oh, I was like,
How's
wait.
that,
I was like, bro, that's like crazy.
This is crazy.
Nah, that's hard.
Oh, shit.
Hey, twin.
Hey, David, I'm in your vlog today, coach.
Hey, coach, it's that season.
Damn.
That joint's hard. Nah, that joint's hard, bro.
Bro.
That M,
That shit is
Hey, bro.
crazy.
you know he's gonna wear that hat like every day, bro.
Bro,
Faithfully,
you know,
bro.
I got it.
This is crazy though, bro. It say NASCAR. Nah, I have to wear it for this video. I ain't gonna hold
You have to. You have to.
I'm about to put them on right now, bro. Nah, that's crazy. He's crazy. Police! Help! Nah, these are crazy. I ain't gonna hold you.
Bro,
This is crazy. How much these E's go for though?
Bro, these are $300 E's, bro.
And you just slid them to me like that?
Come on, bro.
Yeah. Love, bro.
Hey, listen, man.
This is crazy.
You're not just my client, bro.
Yeah.
You my brother.
I know, we
you
brothers.
know what I'm saying?
We brethren.
We brothers,
Hey,
man.
I just told him about the brotherhood.
Oh,
This
On
is
me.
my brother, man.
Yo, man. So we finally here. We're about to get into the $1 million car collection. With my baby, the very first one, you know what I'm saying? The Mercedes G-Wagon AMG G63. Man, what can I say about this car? I got this car probably at the end of 2022. I was having a really good month on YouTube, and so I was looking for a G-Wagon, but I was trying to get it matte black. I was going to decide if I wanted to get white, matte black, or gloss black. The reason why I got this car is because when I was growing up, my dad had two of them. He had a 09, and I think he had a 2018 or 19. This right here is a 21, I believe. So this car, you know what I'm saying? I've grown up being in this car and just seeing it. So this is why I copped this car. But this car is amazing, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I actually beat this car up. This is like my daily driver. And I'm gonna show y'all the inside or whatever. I love the interior on this car, man. I put little extras in it, you know what I'm saying? I did the AMG, but yeah, so it's just real smooth. And so I threw some 4Gs on this car too, 24s, you know what I'm saying? I just felt like I wanted to be a little extra with it. You know what I'm saying? I like floaters too, so when I'm driving, you don't see it spinning, it's just literally floating, it just looks crazy. And they not matte black rims, but they gloss black, but I like how it matches, you know what I'm saying, the fender right here. A lot of people always ask me like, yo, how can you tell if it's a 550 or an AMG? And the way you can tell is if the grill is lower right here under this or it's above it. So, you know, you can tell this is a G63 AMG. Also too, I did a lot of little edits on here. This was all silver. I made it all black. This emblem right here was silver. I made it all black. Even on the back of the car and all the decal, you'll see that I took off all the silver and put it black. So I just want this joint to look like midnight. Literally, you can't even see in the windows. 5% tint all around the car. And I believe on the front is like 35, but yeah, man, that's my Mercedes G-Wagon. But we're gonna go over to the next vehicle here. Oh man, what can I say about this car, bro? My Lamborghini Evo Spider, man. This car right here, I worked very hard to get this car. And I know I didn't say the price on that one right there, but the ticket on that was probably like a quarter, you know what I'm saying? But on this one right here, it was like $315,000, man. This is a drop top Lamborghini Evo Spider. When it's a Spider, it means it's a drop top. I got this car because, you know what I'm saying, I came up off of YouTube going crazy, you know what I'm saying? And so I wanted something to resemble that. I wanted it to be the same color as YouTube on the inside and on the outside. I love this car, it's extremely fast. Out of my whole collection, I gotta say, this is probably my favorite car. It's the flashiest. I can't really drive it right now because it's the winter time, but that's why I have my G-Wagon. And I usually drive that in the fall too. But this car right here is insane, bro. I mean, just the interior alone, it's crazy. Like it got the red interior seats, it got racing seats, it got, what's it called? Carbon fiber on the seats, got the Lamborghini shield. It is literally maxed out. I love this Lamborghini too because it got a screen in it. A lot of Lamborghinis that were made before 2020 do not have screens in them. But yeah, this car right here, it's super expensive. The only thing about this car that I don't like is that the comfort is not crazy, you know what I'm saying? With the G-Wagon, I get like all the bells and whistles. I get the nice leather seats, heated seats, massaging seats. With this car, they just some regular seats, you know what I'm saying? They don't heat up, steering wheel don't heat up. It's not gonna detect if somebody's on my blind spot, so I gotta really like pay attention. And yeah, man, this is a really cool car. I've already gotten 2 tickets in this car so far. I haven't even got a ticket in my G-Wagon, so that's crazy. That just tells you how much attention this car attracts. The only thing I did to it is I believe I PPF'd some of the front. I tinted the windows blackout just like the G-Wagon. I also blacked out the rims. They were like graphite gray or something like that. And so I went ahead and I just blacked it all out because I just wanted to look like red and black to match the brand. But yeah, man, this is my Lamborghini Evo Spider. This is also a 2021. It's almost brand new. But yo, we are about to come over to my most recent pickup.
Big baby!
Yeah, man, this right here is like my prized possession. This is my Rolls Royce Wraith, y'all. Oh my goodness, another $300,000 vehicle in my collection, man. And it's crazy, man. We did a lot of work on this. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Teak. Yeah, big shout out to Teak, you know what I'm saying? Teak and Red, Dream Car Secrets. They actually helped me source this vehicle and the Lamborghini. And this one, we went all out. We customized it and did a whole lot. So before I got this car, everything you see on here, the grille was silver, the little accents were all silver, even the Spirit of Ecstasy was also silver. We customized this car to the fullest. I mean, even down to the Rolls-Royce logo being red, just to match, you know what I'm saying, my branding. We also went crazy on the steering wheel, man. We went crazy, I mean, not the steering wheel, we went crazy on the wheels. We got some more 4Gs, exactly like the ones on my G-Wagon, sitting on foes, and we put red Rolls-Royce logos on it. It's extremely crazy. Like, we went OD on this car. I believe the package alone for me to upgrade this car was probably like 25,000, give or take, just to add the extras on here. We also blacked out all the windows on this one recently. If y'all saw my last vlog, y'all know that this car got broken into, or they tried to. The window didn't crack because you cannot break into a Rolls Royce. It's just impossible. But yeah, man, my favorite part about this car is number one, the interior, man. The stars in the ceiling, which you guys are gonna see. The doors, the way they open is crazy. The interior on this one as well is red, so it kind of matches the branding, and it's just amazing, man. But listen, man, this is my $1 million car collection, man. It's been a lot of hard work with me, you know what I'm saying, getting this. I also got another car that's like more of a family car, my Tesla. Y'all can probably just see it in the background. That's just, you know what I'm saying, a few of my cars. I'm gonna have some stuff coming next, man. I think I wanna get a McLaren. I did want a Cullinan, but I really am in love with that G-Wagon, so I don't know if I ever get rid of it. And now that I got the Wraith, I really feel like I don't need it. If you guys enjoyed this video, you enjoyed the $1 million car collection, I want you guys to drop a like on this video. And if you're brand new and you enjoyed the content and you want to see more content on the channel, make sure you subscribe right now with all notifications turned on. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys tuning in. If you want to learn more about what I do, just make sure you click that top link in the description below so we can give you that game. Y'all get to this level. With that said, I'm out. Peace.